Hello and welcome, I'm Chris, and in this course I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about designing mobile apps. From scratch, without any previous knowledge, you're gonna see how you can design beautiful Android and iOS apps. Number 2, we're gonna prototype them, which means we're gonna make them interactive, like they've already been coded. And 3, you're gonna learn the principles that make an app look great. Now, these 3 parts are huge, but I'm gonna break them down into easy to understand concepts that you can immediately use. What you need is Adobe XD and that's it. The first week is free, so you can finish the course in that time and not have to pay for it. But after that week, it's only $10 per month and I really think it's worth it. Now, we're gonna take it slow, step by step in Adobe XD, so you don't need any previous experience with it. And if you get stuck, please ask for help in the comment section or on my live server, Discord. This is a chat room where you can ask questions directly in real time. Now, let me tell you a few things about me. Again, Chris Barron, I'm an Adobe certified instructor. So that means I know the program like the back of my hand, inside out. But the diploma is nothing without my practical experience to back it up. To that end, I started a successful design company that ran from 2013 to 2018. I had a team of about 25 people. Designers, coders, testers, product managers, all awesome. Now, in total, we got over 150 million downloads across our portfolio, and we worked on lots of projects of all sorts. So in short, this means that I have practical experience, and everything that you're gonna learn in this course is down to earth. It's techniques and principles that you can immediately use. We don't focus on boring theory, only on things that you can apply in your own projects. And trust me, app design projects pay very well. Now, from my experience, an app designer earns at least 3 times as much as a web designer. And that's because companies that need apps typically have a very large budget, at least at the very minimum $20,000. Now, there's a lot more to be said, but in short, this is a very lucrative field and you don't need to know how to code. Okay, with that being said, let's get this show on the road. Please go to adobe.com, make a free account and download Adobe XD. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next lecture after you've installed Adobe XD. Thank you.